Number 16 from chapter 47, Surah Muhammad. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Masalul jannati allati wu'idal muttaqun fiha anharum min ma'in ghairi asinin wa anharum min labanin lam yataghayyar ta'muhu wa anharum min khamrin lazzatin lisharibin wa anharum min asalin musaffa wa lahum fiha min kulli thamarati wa maghfiratum min rabbihim kaman huwa khalidun fin nare wa suku man hamiman faqatta amahum. The translation is a description of the garden promised to the righteous. Therein are rivers of water which corrupts not, and rivers of milk of which the taste changes not, and rivers of wine, a delight to those who drink, and rivers of clarified honey. And in it will they have all kinds of fruits, and forgiveness from their Lord. Can those who enjoy such bliss be like those who abide in the fire, and who are given boiling water to drink, so that it tears their bowels?
Professor, please explain to me. I was a bit surprised reading in all translation word wine. What does that mean, wine?
What?
There will be river of wine.
Yes.
What does that mean?
This means that the pleasure the wine brings to people, that wine, the rivers of which wine will flow in Jannah, will only share the prayer-giving power with the wine we have here. But that wine, in other verses of the Quran, is clearly mentioned, will not make them lose their senses. They will not rave in madness like they do when they overdrink wine here. So that is referred to as wine only in that element of pleasure, which is common between that wine and the wine here. The rest, the reason why this wine is forbidden, that will not be the quality of that wine. Right?